loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's Kedasar, and today I'll be filming my 3-month lock update / showing you guys the results of my retwist this month. As you can see, I have not yet retwisted, but I just want to show you guys the before and after because it kind of helps to really see the progress of your locks, in my opinion, after a retwist, to see how they're starting to fall, what they're looking like, and stuff like that. But of course, I will show you guys what it looks like before I retwist, and just so you can see what my 3 months looks like raw and unmanipulated. How about that? So there's definitely a big difference between this 3-month update and my 1 month. I wouldn't say there's a huge difference between the 3 and 2, but between the 3 and 1 month, definitely a bigger difference. I'd say my hair is starting to get bigger, and I'm just actually noticing that after looking at some pictures, because I didn't previously really realize how much it has been expanding and stuff like that. But it really is, and I'm learning to love it more. Like, okay, let me tell y'all a quick little backstory. So after my 2 month, I did my retwist, of course. And then after 2 weeks, my hair was itching, my scalp was itching, and I just felt like I just had to wash it. So I washed it after 2 weeks after that retwist, and I kind of regretted it because I'm like, dang, like I gotta stick out a whole nother 2 weeks before my next retwist. And I was like, should I just cheat and like do it after 2 weeks? And I'm like, no, I'm not trying to get no thin locks. I ain't trying to do any of that. So I was like, all right, I'm just gonna have to wait. So I waited, and now I'm at the end of the waiting. But that 2 weeks was kind of hard for me because prior I wasn't really feeling like I was going through any type of awkward stage. I won't say ugly because like, let's deprogram our minds to think that we're ever ugly, but like I was like, awkward stage who? Like, I'm not going through an awkward stage because I had only really seen my hair in retwists. Like, every time I washed it, which was only twice, I retwisted it right away. So I was like, awkward stage? Like, what are y'all talking about? But then once I washed that retwist out, I really got to feel what that awkward stage felt like. Like some days your hair is like all up here and sticking out different ways, and it's just, man, dry. Like, it's kind of dry right now, not as dry as it has been, but let me tell you, the awkward stage, it hit me hard, okay? And now I can really understand what people have been saying when they're talking about this journey really helps you with your own self-love. Like, I've had to just look in the mirror and just be like, I look good. I look good. My hair does not determine how I look. Some days I'd have to literally do this and be like, am I still pretty? Cause like I didn't feel pretty some days, and that's just the truth. So I'll give y'all a little 360. So there you have it. I will insert the clips of a little bit of me doing my retwist, and then I'll show you guys the after so you can see what that looks like. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Oh, one more thing in terms of what I've noticed that's different. It's like a lot fuzzier. Like it is so much fuzzier, like especially compared to my 1 month. Like just look at all the hairs just in the middle. But yeah, just a lot of fuzziness and expansion too. And like, even though I have the twist pattern, you can see it going away a little bit. Like right there in the middle, you can't see it as much. But yeah, so that's the biggest update really, like how fuzzy it's getting. It's getting fuzzy and it's getting bigger. Fuzzier and bigger and wilder and like drier as well. A little bit stiffer. Yeah. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family. Also, thank you guys so much. As we speak, I'm at 381 subscribers, and I haven't posted in the last, let's just say, a long time, and y'all still have been subscribing to me. It means so much. We're on the way to 500, on the way to 1,000, okay, and beyond, period. So keep subscribing. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Yeah, you guys really lighten me up every time I see that another one of you has subscribed. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So help me get to 500 or wherever. If I'm at 500 when you see this, help me get to 1,000. Okay, period. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.